I'm Deb, and today I've got a mystery box from Whatnot. Now this is different than the last one because it's a different seller, but I'll tell you how he does it. Okay, he has he gives them boxes numbers, and he'll open it. Basically, you see like what's on the top layer, and then you bid on it, and if you win it, you get to pick what box you want. Well, I personally was having a hard time. See, here's the Q30. Because I just knew I was going to forget something. So I'm trying to remember which box did I want, which box did I want. So anyway, but it's about it, you know, and then of course they show you everything that's in the box before they go off because they have to. So we got this. And this is a light switch. Which I don't. Oh, I see. This is the light part. Anyway, there's that. And they usually got this stuff in there tight. This is a USB B. Anyhow, mini USB, that's what it is. I couldn't remember what they were called. And here's a USB-C, and here's a USB-C. Now this is a micro. But everything sells eventually, so. Okay, then we have Stonello Type-C earphones. And if I can find a general price for this stuff, I will. And I'll put it on the screen. They're Type-C. I still have not found one I like as well as my ones I hadn't lost in the pool. Oh, this even comes with its batteries. But it's a scale. You know, for luggage or whatever. Luggage, fish. I don't know what else you could use it for. My granddaughter caught a 32-pound catfish the other day. It's huge. Well, here we have 2 more of these. And they are, I think, USB-C. Of course, I could be wrong. I usually am. Then we have this thing. This is your mobile car bracket. Yes, I had my grandchildren for a couple days. Oak and Dan. That Okie, she's a handful. She's so funny. She'll be just walking along having a high old time, then all of a sudden she'll just start cussing. Then she'll, yeah, here's the pieces. So, but yeah, she'll sit there and sing and clean, and she, my one friend says, Deb, could she be any more like you? I said, hey, leave her alone. She's in the zone. She's singing and she's cleaning. Leave her alone. That's the way I am. I want the music up. Leave me alone. I'll go in my own little world, and I can get it done in half the time. But don't try to help me. And this is Intense Classic Style, Desire, and Glamour. And it's a full bottle. I can't see what... Got the ingredients, but it doesn't have the things listed. I'll have to look it up. No, I don't have my nails on. I've been running wild chasing 2 little kids. Poor Dan, he goes to kindergarten this year. And here's a car charger. He goes to kindergarten this year, so okay. Now this, I thought this was kind of cool. It's a wireless speaker. And you have a place where you can set your phone on the speaker. And I got black. It is marked, I got black. And it's solar powered. And it's an outdoor flashlight. So yeah, I mean, that'd be nice to have, you know, out in the yard where it's charging itself while you're still, you know, having time with kids. Which is it the best quality? Probably not. But it would be nice to have out there just so I can sit out with my friends. See, and it has a little slot right here. It has a little slot right here, and you put your phone in. And then your solar panel's there. Oh, I see. You can charge it here too, and you can also plug in a USB. And it has what looks to be a very nice flashlight there. And like I said, we don't usually lose our electric here in the winter.
Bluetooth mode.
I'm good.
Low battery, please charge.
Low battery, please charge. Well, it's probably got a low battery because there's nothing in it. But that's pretty loud for no bigger than this is. I just kind of figured it'd be like one of them old-fashioned ones that, you know. But no. Yeah, Oki's, she's a funny girl. And then I got this. And I'm probably going to set this up for one of the guys for Christmas. Because it's really kind of cool. I didn't get a real good look at it. I just saw it. I just saw it when they showed it. But this is multifunctional light. So you can charge it right here. You can charge it right here. USB. And there's your power button. Oops, it's working. It works. But see, I need to see this other part of it now. I don't know how that goes. Oh, it's probably like this. I would think it would be like this. I could be wrong. Well, gee whiz. I was really looking forward to scooping this one out too. My goodness, it's hot in my house. I just turned all the air conditioner off so I could record. Oh, just about blinded myself. I will not hurt you a bit. This will not hurt a bit. Yeah, that'd be good to screw with kids with. Okay, now if I just turn it off, there we go. This has, I don't know which way it goes though. Oh, here it is. If I just look long enough, I can usually figure it out. Well, I thought that's how it worked. Oh, I see. On each side. Okay. See, this is connected. And I'll show you this way. It works better. But you got a little small tape measure. And then you got different heads for your screwdriver. Then you got this. Wrenches for your screwdriver. A couple Allen wrenches in there. I mean, is it something that's going to overhaul an engine? No. Is it something that might get you, when you got a few minutes down the road, you got to go and that's it? But I thought, well, that would be nice to just throw in somebody's truck and, you know, it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst either. So I figured I would put this up for Christmas for one of the guys. Richard won't be here. He's getting deployed next month, I believe it is. So he won't be here for Christmas this year. He might be, might not, so she's already upset about it. You know how that has to go. But anyhow, I think I paid 40 something, and then I got 40 something, and I had to pay like 9 something for shipping. So I really didn't think it was that bad. I thought, you know, even if you pay 20 for this and 20 for that, you know, and 20 for this, you know, it's something. So I think I got my 60 bucks back. And I'll put some of this stuff in my store. And I seem to be keeping an even keel with that, so that's not too bad either. I got a whole box of stuff that's got to be taken down to the store. I need to do more work on my backyard, but Ohio decided it's going to rain every day for a week, so there you go. I have unclaimed mail coming in, guys. I'm kind of worried about it because I ordered it on the 3rd, and they said then that they would start to be being filled on the 12th. Well, I can't get into my email account that I use for that, which once I get this one, it'll be fine, because I'll just use the new one and just call it done. But in the meantime, I can't even check if it's coming or if it's not or anything. I mean, I could call them, but I don't want to call them and bug them. But, so anyway, this is what I got from Whatnot this time. And I do have my Ipsy in there. And I'll get around to getting it done this week too. Just because I'm trying to keep everything caught up. That way, when I do have to go, I can just take off. I don't have to worry about it. And my sister has to have surgery again. But anyway, this is my Whatnot. Come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, because old people need love too.